family specialist for Stone Oak Elementary and Canyon Ridge Elementary. We love you all.
Roxana Gutierrez Garcia from Clear Spring Elementary. Please stay safe, and we miss you.
Hi Falcons, this is Miss Aldana, and we miss you a lot.
Hi, I'm Lupe Negley from Harmony Hills. We miss you and care about you.
Hi everyone, this is Missy Butter from Coker Elementary, reminding you to permanezcan juntos y fuertes.
Leticia Farias, Cerna Elementary.
Annalisa Barrera here from Regency Place Elementary. We really miss you. Stay safe.
It's Ms. Romero from Northern Hills, and I'm here for you.
Hey, this is Miss Encina from Gardner Middle School. We miss you.
Hi, my name is Maribel Lacey from Woodstone Elementary. Remember to be strong, be courageous, and make memories.
Hi, this is Miss Morris, Family Specialist from Wood Middle School, and we miss you so much.
Melissa Mendiola, Roosevelt High School. We miss you.
My name is Elizabeth De La Rosa, and I am the Family Specialist with Wilshire Elementary and Oak Grove Elementary.
Rosana Garza, Roan Forest Elementary. Stay home, stay healthy, stay safe.
Hi everyone, I'm Roxanne Alvarez from Tuscany Heights and Los Lomas Elementary. Stay safe and healthy.
Hi, this is Miss Cerner from the Northeast Alternative Center, reminding you to de-stress and take a breath.
Hi, this is Gabby Mendoza from East Turtle Hills Elementary.
Oak Meadow Mavericks, Long Street Cowboys and Cowgirls. Miss Jazz wants you to remember to keep smiling.
Hello, my Driscoll and Harris families. Missing you so much. Extrañándolos tanto.
Araceli with Family Engagement, reminding you to take breaks and play.
Laura Salas, Camelot Elementary. You matter to us.
Hi, I'm Rick Lopez from El Dorado Elementary. I want all our students and families to read and be safe.
Lenny Leos from Red White Middle School, just hoping everyone is staying safe and healthy and can't wait to see you soon. We miss you.
Hi, I'm Miss Martinez, Family Specialist from Stall Elementary. Take care of yourself and don't forget to smile.
Stay safe and continue making healthy choices.
This is Christopher Cadena, the Family Specialist from Fox Run and Encino Park. Be sure you stay healthy and safe.
Hello, my name is Alejandra Trejo. I'm the Family Specialist at the Pre-K Academy, reminding you to...
Hi, this is Leslie Rosales from Jackson Keller. We miss you.
Hi, my name is Ana Bernal from Steuben Ranch.
This is Mrs. Martinez from Delview Elementary School. Remember.
Victoria Lane from Vineyard Ranch Elementary.
Monica, Family Specialist from Madison High School. We miss you a lot. Los extrañamos.
Hi, we're from Almost Elementary, and we want to let you know that we miss you y
los extrañamos.
Hi, Larkspur Leopards. I hope you're doing well. Take care, and hopefully we'll see you soon.
Hi everybody, my name is Elizabeth Jaramillo Molina and I'm your Family Specialist at MacArthur High School. Stay safe and see you soon.
Hi there, this is Dr. Zavala from Montgomery Elementary. We miss you.
Selena Allaire from Colonial Hills Elementary School. We miss you.
From Walsham Elementary, be sure to get your vitamin D.
Hi guys, Miss Alaman from Windcrest Elementary. Remember to smile and hope to see you again very soon.
Hey all you cool cats and kittens, this is Sandy Rodriguez, Family Specialist at Jackson Middle School. Remember to make good choices.
Rachel Hicks, Eisenhower Middle School. Stay strong.